Let me just mention a little bit this concept of learning by doing. And basically this is a kind of an alternative to traditional training. When I say traditional training, I mean these three channels of the delivery that I mentioned. And this learning by doing is a kind of a mixture between an implementation work and training work. So let me give you an example. Let's say that a client has a first management review coming up and they don't really know how to prepare materials for it. So instead of preparing all the materials yourself as a consultant, you should rather explain how this is done to, let's say, a security manager and actually take him or her by the hand and explain each material, how this is done, who it needs to be sent to, and so on. So basically you're teaching this person how to do it, not by actually organizing a training, but actually showing how the work is done so that this person can do this alone the next time. Now, in most cases, this kind of learning will be the most effective because it's the easiest for an employee to learn in this very practical way. Of course, for consultants, it's very hard actually to scale this kind of learning by doing because usually you don't have enough time to dedicate to each and every employee. So if you are seriously considering this learning by doing concept, try to see if the client is interested in this kind of, let's say, a learning approach. And you should also consider tools like AI because they can actually help you scale this kind of training.